This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria multiplayer across Android and PC. While Terraria doesn't offer native cross-platform play, you can bridge this gap using a dedicated server. This setup allows you and your friends to explore vast worlds together, regardless of whether you are on a computer or a mobile device. It ensures a stable and consistent multiplayer experience for everyone involved. To begin, you will need to set up a dedicated server on your personal computer. First, download the official Terraria server software. Then, install T-Shock, which is a powerful server modification that enables cross-platform functionality. During setup, you can customize your world's size, difficulty, and the number of players allowed. Remember to create or select a world for your server to host. The next crucial step is enabling the crossplay functionality. You will need to download the crossplay plugin, typically found on its official GitHub page. After downloading, use an FTP client to access your server's files and navigate to the plugin's folder. Upload the crossplay plugin file there. Once uploaded, restart your dedicated server to ensure the plugin is properly installed and activated, allowing different platforms to connect. Finally, it's time to connect. First, ensure you have port forwarding set up for port 7777 on your router. Then, find your public IP address. PC players can join by selecting multiplayer and entering the server's IP address and port 7777. Mobile players will navigate to the multiplayer section, choose online, and input the exact same IP and port to join your cross-platform Terraria adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.